guys, welcome to CW Creations. See after a long time. So today we are going to see about how to the text around an image. So let's see about that. If I slip into the ocean, drag the roller line to the required level. Seize my queen, I show devotion. So in this area we are going to input our text. Now press P for pen tool and simply click and draw the mask around the subject. For lowering the duration of the video, I am going to speed up the video. Okay, after it's done, click and hold shift and click on the intersecting point. If I slip into the ocean, swallow me up in one motion. And finally close it. So now select the type tool and click into the selected area. So now you can write your text inside it. I am just simply placing my lower ellipsis, so it saves time. Okay guys, we have done it. So here comes the end of the video. So if you like the video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe.